Did you know that you can wake up to this view in the UK and go on safari, feed rhinos and giraffes? At this animal reserve in the heart of the Kent countryside, you can do all of this and more. First up, it's not a zoo. It's a place where really important work around conservation and rewilding animals is done. You can choose from different accommodation, from a luxury hut with gorgeous views of the reserve to glamping accommodation right in the midst of the animals. Wake up to animals like giraffes, zebras, wildebeests and more roaming freely outside your tent. You can get around the park with your own buggy, plus there are several different restaurants to choose from. It's a really special experience and definitely one for your UK bucket list. This is Port Lympne Reserve in Kent. Save for later or tag who you'd like to visit with.